Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can upload music to Spotify on iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So to add your own downloaded music files to your Spotify app on iPhone, you must move the song into the designated Spotify folder on your device. So what you need to do is you need to first of all go to your files. Go to files, and then from this section, the browse section, go ahead, tap on my iPhone. Then you should be able to find a Spotify file. Go ahead and have a audio or recording that you have in this particular file section. You're going to go ahead, copy that. Let's say for example you have this particular file. You're going to go ahead, tap on it, and you're going to long press on this particular file, and then you're going to go ahead, copy, or you can tap on move directly. Tap on copy, and when you go back, you can go to downloads and go ahead, paste it. But remember that you need to do it on your Spotify file. Once you have done that, you're gonna go back, open up your Spotify app, then tap on profile icon on top left corner, tap on settings and privacy, then tap on apps and devices, and then toggle on this local audio files. Simply turn that on. Now you can see Spotify would like to access Apple Music, your music and video activity, and etc. Simply allow this prompt. Now go ahead, go to your library, and you should be able to find, it will take a little bit of time, you should be able to find this local file section. When you tap on it, whatever audio you have added from the file section will appear right over here. That's what you can do. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.